I'm outside the Chief Justice's chambers at the High Court, where a few minutes ago Chief Justice Roxanne George gave parties involved in the GCOM house-to-house registration case leave to file extra documents to support their arguments. Former Attorney General Anil Nandalal, who is representing the applicant Christopher Ram, explained why the order was not granted and more time given.
The Chief Justice did not grant the conservatory order which we sought to restrain the registration process. But significantly, the Chief Justice emphasized that she understands that the CCJ ruled that the elections must be held by September the 18th.
And she said that in chambers.
And she said that very clearly.
In the chambers.
That is what the CCJ ruled in accordance with Article 106, 107 of the Constitution. Elections must be held by September the 18th. However, she said that we have not satisfied her on the affidavits that we have not satisfied her that there is enough evidence to show that GCOM is not acting to complete this process
and
hold elections within that time frame.
As such, Nandalal is expected to file an affidavit to this effect. However, he maintained that GCOM cannot complete the exercise in time for elections by September the 18th.
The whole country knows that it will go beyond, because they are constructing a new list, because they are saying that the list is bad, that there is no way that this exercise, starting de novo from citizen number 1 to citizen number 750,000, this exercise can be concluded within and for the holding of an election by September the 18th. Remember, this list has to be compiled, then there has to be claims and objections to the list itself, then you have to have, of course it has to be extracted from the National Register to the voters list, then the claims and objection, and then you have to train staff, everything for elections.
Yes, you have the preliminary and you have the official.
By what process of logic can that ever be concluded by September the 18th?
Meanwhile, Senior Counsel Neil Boston's request for 14 days to present his written arguments was denied by the Chief Justice. Boston is representing GCOM's Chief Elections Officer Keith Lowenfield in the proceedings. The Chief Justice instead gave Boston until July the 29th to submit his response to Ram. The Guyana Bar Association, which will be represented by its president Tenny Hoosty and prominent attorney Sanjeev Dattadin, was also given leave to join the proceedings as a party and make written submissions. The case will be heard on August 2nd. Jarrell Bryan, The Evening News.